Hello, this is a demonstration of my pong game. Right now it's stuck in an infinite loop, which is exactly where I want it. The ball just bounces off the edge of the paddles and back onto the starting path, where it hits the other paddle. And the little alphanumeric on the bottom, R, Alt L now, keeps track of which paddle is going to get the point if the other one loses, and also shows some other things like the state of the finite state machine when it's not in game mode. And it also shows scores. Of course, I wanted to get, what's it called? Different colors implemented, menus and stuff, but that never came about. But, so yeah. This is a nice project. It's fun to watch. A little frustrating to play, though. Let me show you what's over here. Here's the keypad. These buttons here manipulate the left paddle, and these buttons here manipulate the right paddle. Obviously, you could just ignore the numbers. They're not relevant. And where's the microcontroller? It's buried under all this cable. Sorry if you can't see it. Which connects to my nice FPGA, which then relays it to VGA. It's essentially a form of triple buffering, almost. Except the images are directly being, how do I say, put into the buffer, and then the buffer just swaps. See that? It just swaps. There's no blitter. The microcontroller is the blitter, so I have to do some cleanup with this path that I like to make on the tail, but otherwise it's pretty decent. Unfortunately, my code isn't too clean, so yeah. I'll eventually release on GitHub under BSD3 clause, simply because, well, if you ever want this code, I'd want this code. I mean, if somebody told me that I could just get this code off, use a fairly standard device, the D0 Nano, and a bunch of really common resistor values. Oh yeah, and a VGA port. Well then, heck, I wouldn't have to do all this. Alright guys, this is Brandon, signing off. Sorry for the shaky camera, by the way.